Study vocabulary and phrases. Number one, travel abroad ធ្វើដំណើរទៅក្រៅប្រទេស Number two, cultural achievement សមិទ្ធផលវប្បធម៌ Number three, fast food អាហាររហ័ស Number four, dairy ទឹកដោះគោ Number five, beverages ភេសជ្ជៈ Number six, fast pace of life ភាពរហ័សរហួននៃជីវិត Number seven, citizens ពលរដ្ឋ Number eight, population ចំនួនប្រជាជន Number nine, go back there again ត្រឡប់ទៅទីនោះម្ដងទៀត Conversations about a foreign country Conversations about a foreign country សន្ទនាអំពីបរទេស Have you ever traveled abroad? If yes, what country was it? Have you ever traveled abroad? If yes, what country was it? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់បានធ្វើដំណើរទៅក្រៅប្រទេសទេបើមែនតើប្រទេសណា Yes, I have traveled to the US last year with my family. Yes, I have. I traveled to the US last year with my family. បាទខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើដំណើរទៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកកាលពីឆ្នាំមុនជាមួយគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំ Where is that country located? Where is that country located? តើប្រទេសនោះនៅឯណា The USA is located in North America. The USA is located in North America. សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកមានទីតាំងនៅអាមេរិកខាងជើង What is it famous for? What is it famous for? តើវាល្បីល្បាញដោយសារអ្វី The USA is known for its cultural achievements and landmarks. The USA is known for its cultural achievements and landmarks. សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកត្រូវបានគេស្គាល់ដោយសារសមិទ្ធផលវប្បធម៌និងកន្លែងសម្គាល់ What are the special food and drinks of that country? What are the special food and drinks of that country? តើអាហារនិងភេសជ្ជៈពិសេសរបស់ប្រទេសនោះមានអ្វីខ្លះ There are many. They are known for fast food, dairy, and many beverages. There are many. They are known for fast food, dairy, and many beverages. មានច្រើនពួកវាត្រូវបានគេស្គាល់ថាសម្រាប់អាហាររហ័សទឹកដោះគោនិងភេសជ្ជៈជាច្រើន What do you like about that country? What do you like about that country? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីនិយាយពីប្រទេសនោះ I like the fast pace of life and the various subcultures. I like the fast pace of life and the various subcultures. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តភាពរហ័សរហួននៃជីវិតនិងវប្បធម៌រងផ្សេងៗ How many citizens are there in that country? How many citizens are there in that country? តើមានពលរដ្ឋប៉ុន្មានអ្នកក្នុងប្រទេសនោះ The current population of the United States of America was over 324 million in 2016, which accounts for 4.3% of the total world population. The current population of the United States of America was over 324 million in 2016, which accounts for 4.3% of the total world population. ប្រជាជនអាមេរិកបច្ចុប្បន្នមានចំនួនជាង324លាននាក់ក្នុងឆ្នាំ2016ដែលស្មើនឹង 4.3% នៃចំនួនប្រជាជនសរុបរបស់ពិភពលោក What language do people there speak? What language do people there speak? តើប្រជាជននៅទីនោះនិយាយភាសាអ្វី The national language is English, but many people also speak Spanish, French, German and Chinese. The national language is English, but many people also speak Spanish, French, German and Chinese. ភាសាជាតិគឺភាសាអង់គ្លេស ប៉ុន្តែមនុស្សជាច្រើននិយាយភាសាអេស្ប៉ាញ បារាំង អាល្លឺម៉ង់ និងចិនផងដែរ Do you want to go back there again? Do you want to go back there again? តើអ្នកចង់ត្រឡប់ទៅទីនោះម្ដងទៀតទេ Sure, sure ប្រកាសជាចង់ Why do people like to travel abroad? Why do people like to travel abroad? ហេតុអ្វីមនុស្សចូលចិត្តធ្វើដំណើរទៅក្រៅប្រទេស They just want to discover new places, learn new cultures, and maybe speak new languages. They just want to discover new places, learn new cultures, and maybe speak new languages. ពួកគេគ្រាន់តែចង់ស្វែងរកកន្លែងថ្មីរៀនវប្បធម៌ថ្មីហើយប្រហែលជានិយាយភាសាថ្មី Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1 travel abroad ធ្វើដំណើរទៅក្រៅប្រទេស Number 2 cultural achievement សមិទ្ធផលវប្បធម៌ Number 3 fast food អាហាររហ័ស Number 4 dairy ទឹកដោះគោ Number 5 beverages ភេសជ្ជៈ Number 6 fast pace of life ភាពរហ័សរហួននៃជីវិត Number 7 citizens ពលរដ្ឋ Number 8 population ចំនួនប្រជាជន Number 9 go back there again ត្រឡប់ទៅទីនោះម្ដងទៀត Thank you